In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Loom not letting me download. This is a common issue users face, and I'm here to guide you through the steps to resolve it effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and search for Loom. You can use any search engine you prefer. As you type in Loom, you will notice various search results appear on your screen. It's essential to ensure you are navigating to the official site to avoid any potential security issues. Look for the official Loom website link, which typically appears at the top of the search results. This step is crucial because starting from the right place ensures you have access to all the latest features and updates. Once you have located the correct link, click on it. This action will direct you to the Loom homepage. Here you will find all the tools and resources you need for video creation and sharing. Clicking the right link is important because it saves you time and frustration, making sure you reach the site without any detours. You can see the layout and features of Loom, which are designed to enhance your video experience. Now it's time to log in. Enter your credentials such as your email and password in the designated fields. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step as well. After logging in, you will be taken to your Loom dashboard where all your videos are stored. This is an important step, as being logged in gives you access to your content and the necessary settings to manage your downloads. After your first attempt to download a video, wait 30 minutes for long videos before trying again. This waiting period is crucial because Loom often processes longer videos for a while before allowing downloads. Refresh the browser window after the waiting period to check if the download button has become active. This step ensures that you are not wasting time trying to download a video that isn't ready yet, giving you a smoother experience. Alternatively, open your video page and go to Settings on the right side panel. You will see various options that allow you to customize your video settings. This step is important because checking the settings can help troubleshoot issues related to downloads. Make sure you are looking at the correct video settings, as they can vary based on your video's privacy and audience settings. Next, click the Audience tab and toggle on the switch for downloads. This action allows viewers to download the video, which might be what you need to access the download feature yourself. By enabling downloads, you ensure that the necessary permissions are granted, which helps avoid any restrictions that could prevent downloads. Remember, this little step can save you a lot of hassle later. Now, open an incognito or private window, log into your Loom web dashboard, and try clicking download again. Using an incognito window helps bypass any issues related to cached data or cookies that might hinder your download attempts. This step is particularly useful if previous attempts have failed, as it offers a fresh start for your session. You will see if this method allows you to download the video successfully. If it works, you need to clear your main browser's cookies and disable conflicting privacy extensions. Clearing cookies can resolve many issues related to website functionality, including downloads. It's a good practice to periodically clear your cookies to improve your browsing experience. Disabling privacy extensions is also critical, as they can interfere with site functionality, including Loom's download features. Following these steps should help you resolve the download issues you are experiencing with Loom. If you stay patient and methodical, you will likely see a positive outcome. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your video downloading.